In 1985, a bold vision came to life. A new bus service designed by Fairfax County took its first trip, and with it, the Fairfax Connector was born. What started as a handful of routes has become the largest local bus system in Northern Virginia, serving over 26,000 daily riders across 93 routes. The 1980s brought rapid growth in Fairfax County, and with it, a need for affordable, accessible public transportation. The Fairfax Connector was designed to meet that need and go further. Buses ran from neighborhoods to metro, from schools to shopping centers, offering flexibility and freedom for thousands of residents. In the 90s and 2000s, the Connector grew, and so did its role in the community. New park and ride lots made commutes easier. Holiday service hours gave families a way to travel on their most important days. School partnerships meant students had a safe, reliable ride. Behind every route, every stop is a team.
You have to love to do it. Driving is not for everyone. This is a big responsibility. You are hauling, you are carrying people. You know, and they want you to get from A to B safe, okay? Safety first, schedule second, always will be that way. Because you want to go home safe to your family, they want to go home safe to theirs.
Maintenance crews keep buses running through rain and snow. Dispatchers, planners, and operators work hard to make sure your route is ready every day.
40 years is a long time in the transit business. We have a lot of people in the past and in the present that have worked really hard to make this happen. Transit is very difficult. A lot of times people think about transit, they just see the buses outside, but there are a lot of maintenance activities, you know, from the washing of the buses, servicing, maintenance, all year. So I think transit is actually a lot, and a lot of people work really hard to make out and have the bus ready in service.
And at the Connector store, transit information and support are just a visit away. Over the years, Fairfax Connector has embraced change and technology. Smart Trip and Smart Trip Plus have streamlined fare payments. Bus Tracker lets riders see exactly when their bus will arrive. And each new innovation puts your safety and comfort first, for a smoother ride every time.
Even at 10 years old, looking at these incredible machines like most 10-year-old boys do, look at big motorized equipment and get excited, and thought, wow, that's really cool that we have city buses as we knew them here in our own neighborhood on the Route 1 corridor, and who would have ever dreamed that 40 years later we'd have such a sophisticated, complete network like we have now.
Through all the changing times, Connector staff kept rolling. Essential workers rode with us. Families stayed connected, and the commitment to public service never stopped.
How do we make the system better? I have a system map on my wall, and I sit there every day and I think, how do I make it better? Where do people need to get to? And how do I can do that within the resources that I have? Because my background is in economics, I'm always looking at the value of what we're providing compared to what it actually costs. And that value is way higher than what it actually costs, especially to the people who need it.
For 40 years, you've trusted us to take you where you need to go, and every mile has been a shared journey. From the roads behind us to the roads ahead. Fairfax Connector. Here's to the journey together.